Rising above the modern skyline of Nagoya, Nagoya Castle was built to project power, wealth, and control in feudal Japan. Famous for its golden roof ornaments, this castle became one of the most important strongholds of the Tokugawa era. Construction began in the early 17th century under Tokugawa Ieyasu, who ordered the castle built as a strategic base to secure central Japan. It served as the seat of the Owari branch of the Tokugawa family, one of the most powerful domains in the country. Nagoya Castle was designed as a massive fortified complex with wide moats, thick stone walls, and an imposing main keep. Its most iconic feature, the golden shachi hoko ornaments on the roof, symbolize protection and prosperity. During World War II, the castle suffered devastating damage from air raids in 1945, destroying much of the original structure. This marked a major loss for one of Japan's most significant historic landmarks. In the decades that followed, efforts were made to rebuild the castle. The main keep was reconstructed in 1959, and ongoing restoration projects aim to return parts of the complex to their original Edo period design using traditional methods. Today, Nagoya Castle stands as both a cultural symbol and a major tourist destination. Visitors explore its grounds, reconstructed interiors, and historic defenses, experiencing a fortress where samurai power, destruction, and restoration all shaped its legacy.